So I'm Amrin Karawala and we'll go right to the topic. So here is how to research about residency programs, and I'm going to tell you from my experience. Since I've recently done this in the last 1 year, I'm just going to give you the tips that usually is not available anywhere else. So what are we going to do is how to begin, like where do you start from? We'll look at the parameters while selecting a program. So what do you need to look in a residency program? There's something called different tracks in a same program. So we're going to go through that. We'll briefly touch upon the timelines, how much time is needed for you to go through the whole process. I'll show you how to make your own Excel sheet that will help you decide which programs to apply to. We'll briefly touch upon the cost, and I'll also show you a sample contract, which is from a very random program. First is that either you use an Excel sheet, which is a template sheet, or you make your own sheet. So I'm going to show you my sheet, the one that I made, so that you have an idea, but just going through these points quickly. Once you have an Excel sheet, you need to do your own research using database. So we'll go through these two databases too, Frida and Residency Explorer. And then we update all the information from these two databases to our Excel sheet. And then once you have all this information ready in one place in your Excel sheet, then you can go on highlighting the programs, which ones you can't apply, which ones you'll definitely apply, which ones are maybe. So, have your own color combination for that. Definitely ask seniors and ask everyone else about the program, whoever you know. And then you narrow down the list.